They fear intimidation. Dr. Karl Blythe on why more people have not come forward to challenge Portia Simpson Miller. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Al Miller found guilty.
Financial institutions tackle loss of correspondent banking services.
Mandela Highway to be widened, but what of other roadways?
In the financial week, Audley Shaw says business failures prepare him for a finance job.
There's also sports commentary, crime and weather in this newscast. But first, the feedback question.
Tonight we're asking, do you think strengthening of the Road Traffic Act will help to curb vehicular crashes?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet @televisionjam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News package returns right after this break.